to get unready with me? Hi guys, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to get unready with you all and share with you my updated Monsoon skincare routine plus tips. But वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमेशा की तरह सब्सक्राइब टू अ बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल एंड रिंग द बेल आइकन ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहो एवरी टाइम वी पोस्ट अ न्यू वीडियो. Okay, now you all know that I have been a talent for BeBeautiful for a while now, which simply means that I spend a lot of time shooting various pieces of content for which I have to wear makeup, I'm exposed to harsh studio lights, long shoot hours, a lot of prep work happens during the day. I also have to travel back and forth to the set, so having a specific unready routine helps me get into the sleep mode, and of course I love taking care of my skin and pampering myself. As you guys can see, I'm already in my unready avatar. ये routine मैं start करूँगी by wiping my face with a cleansing facial wipe. I am using the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Cleansing Wipe. These facial wipes are infused with aloe vera extracts, jojoba oil, glycerine and vitamin E in their formula. They help to cleanse, hydrate and remove dirt and grease from your skin. This leaves my skin feeling refreshed and clean. साथ ही ये अल्कोहल फ्री है, मतलब ये आपकी स्किन को ड्राई आउट भी नहीं करेगा. अब इसके बाद एज एन एडिशनल स्टेप टू डबली इंश्योर दैट द स्किन इज एकदम क्लीन, आई गो ओवर इट विद अ बाई फेज मेकअप रिमूवर. खास तौर से मॉनसून के वक्त जब ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ जाती है, यू नीड अ बाई फेज रिमूवर जिसके अंदर का ऑयल फेज मेकअप को निकाल देगा. साथ ही द वाटर फेज रिफ्रेशेस एंड कंडीशंस द स्किन. दिस इज द लैक्मे एब्सोल्यूट बाई फेज मेकअप रिमूवर. जस्ट pour some over a cotton pad and then wipe it along the face. This is dermatologically tested and will not irritate anyone with sensitive skin. अब बारी आती है deep cleansing की, and for that nothing quite works like a facial scrub. Monsoon के वक्त bacteria is at its peak, which is why you need a solid cleanser that contains activated charcoal. I am using the Pond's Pure Detox Face Gel Scrub for deep cleansing with activated charcoal. Now, what makes activated charcoal even more effective than regular charcoal is that it becomes a porous substance that's able to bind small pesky materials that get under our pores and cause dirt and chemical buildup. Another skincare ingredient that I like to use in my nighttime is vitamin C. We all know that when we sleep, our body undergoes its natural repair process. Before this process begins, it is the apt time to apply vitamin C products as it will absorb into your skin most effectively. This is the Simple Protect and Glow Vitamin C Brighten Clay Mask. Just cover the face and neck with a thick layer of clay mask and keep it on for 10 minutes. So this mask has ginger that will neutralize the damage that the skin has undergone during the day. It also has clay and yuzu lemon as well. Also, this mask is non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, which means like all the other simple product, it doesn't have any skin barriers. Time to rinse off this mask and then we hit the hydration station. Now it's time to add moisture back into the skin because cleansing, exfoliation and treatment tends to pull moisture away from the skin. So applying a serum at this stage when your skin is still porous makes your skin literally gulp down moisture. I am using the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Serum with 95% pure hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. Just take a few drops, dab it into the skin and watch it work its magic. This serum has 95% pure hyaluronic acid, which is a star ingredient for anyone looking for hydration. ये सीरम वैसे तो स्किन के अंदर बहुत जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब भी हो जाता है and has a soothing water-like texture. Now it's time to tend to the most delicate part of your facial skin, the under eye area. Apply a cooling eye gel and give yourself a quick mini massage that will help reduce the damage caused due to fatigue on this area of the facial skin. Pro tip: opt for an eye gel or cream that has a metal applicator that stays cold by itself. Today I am using the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Eye Gel. So this eye gel has a metal applicator that helps depuff and brighten the under eye area till the next day. Glide it from the inner to the outer corner of the eyes 2 to 3 times and massage it into the skin. इस जेल को आप फ्रिज में भी रख सकते हो to boost the cooling effect. And lastly, apply a sleeping mask instead of a moisturizer. क्योंकि sleeping creams and overnight masks are typically a more nourishing and thicker version of a daily moisturizer. They should be applied as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine. I am using the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Plus Overnight Sleeping Mask. Just scoop some of the product and apply it all over the face. So this moisturizer has vitamin C and shea butter. And ये दोनों ही ingredients स्किन के अंदर के ग्लो को enhance करता है, complexion को brighten करता है, and you will wake up with a well moisturized plump skin. And right before I crash, I'll apply a lip balm because lips की skin काफी delicate होती है. In fact, लिप्स पे ऑयल ग्लैंड्स नहीं होने के कारण लिप्स खुद को मॉइस्चराइज भी नहीं रख सकते. सो अ लेयर ऑफ वैसलीन लिप थेरेपी इन एलो विल हेल्प टू लॉक इन मॉइस्चर. कैसा लगा आपको हमारा ये गेट अनरेडी विथ मी वीडियो? मैं तो काफी थक गई हूँ. टाइम फॉर मी टू गो एंड गेट सम स्लीप. बट यू गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स सब्सक्राइब टू आवर बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल. साथ ही बेल आइकन पे टैप कर दो ताकि यू स्टे अपडेटेड विथ ऑल आवर ब्यूटी एडवेंचर्स. बाय गाइज.